Hello friends, today we are going to study reversible and irreversible process. Reversible process, irreversible process. First, reversible process. Reversible process is one in which both the system and its surrounding can return to exactly the states they were in by following the reverse path. Irreversible process. An irreversible process is one in which the system and its surrounding cannot return together to exactly the states that they were in. See, the reversible process is the ideal process which never occurs, while the irreversible process is the natural process that is commonly found in nature. When we break the leaf of a tree, we cannot change this. We cannot join it again. Such process is irreversible process. Whereas when water evaporates, it can also be condensed in the form of a rains. This is reversible process, but can be condensed all that evaporation? No. Hence, reversible process is a hypothetical concept. Such process is not possible in practice. So, reversible process is ideal process. See, this is a system. The gas molecules here. This is a piston which is weightless or a frictionless. So, we applied weight on it. This is the first volume. The gas molecules are applies pressure on piston. Pressure of a gas is equals to piston because of this weight. Hence, piston stand at that position to maintain equilibrium. Now we can say pressure of a gas is equal to pressure applied by piston because of this weight. If we remove all this weight at the instant, this piston goes to the final position and pressure here becomes equal to the pressure applied by piston. This process is very fast process. When we remove all these weights, the piston goes at the final position. This process is very fast position. When inner pressure and outer pressure of a gas becomes equal, then piston stop. Such process is irreversible process. Now see the reversible process. Reversible process is a very slow process. See, these weights are applied on piston. This is a gas molecules system. When we remove one weight, the piston goes away and volume increases. Volume increases. Again, we remove another weight, volume increases. When we put again one weight here, volume decreases. When we put all these weights as it is, volume again decreases. This position same as to this position. Such process, step by step process, is called as a reversible process. In this process, what is happening? When weight is removed, then volume increases. When weight put here, then volume again decreases. This process takes steps, number of steps. Hence, reversible process are process in which any specific stage can be repeated. At every stage piston will maintain external and internal pressure equal, or it maintain mechanical equilibrium at every stage. Such processes are reversible processes.